Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got in the iPad Air 4. I'm going to unpack it and set it up, and I also got a case and a screen protector that I want to apply. Just want to start off with, it's not completely new. I could not get the iPad 4 new. I could get it refurbished, but it was a little bit too expensive, so I got it secondhand, but just as good as new. I'm very excited. Let's just go to unboxing it. So I actually already have an iPad. I have the iPad Air 2 right now, but it is so incredibly old and it's not good anymore. I have to have it on airplane mode basically all the time, or else it'll just die immediately. It was really time for a change. Now I also forgot to mention it, but I also got the Apple Pencil Generation 2, so that is very exciting. Ooh. Okay, we have the Apple Pencil. Oh my god, we did have a case with it, but I bought my own. Oh my god. I saw in an unboxing video that the Apple logo shows the color of the iPad, and I am obsessed with that little detail. That is just so cute. I got the iPad Air 4th generation with 64 gigabytes. Let's start with the iPad. This is it. This is the iPad. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so cold. It could use a little bit of cleaning, but it looks so good. He also gave me the charger with it, so that is really nice. But we also have the Apple Pencil. The box is a little bit dirty, but that is okay as long as the Apple Pencil is good. It is really pretty. Oh my god. I don't know if it's charged, but let's just try and turn it on.
Welcome to another day of life.
In the meantime, I'm gonna unbox my case and screen protector. Oh my god. Oh, that is such a pretty color. So I decided to go for a case that is transparent in the back, but still has the green color of the iPad. I mean, it's not the exact same color, but I like that they're two different tints of green as well. I decided not to go for a paper-like screen protector. I just thought I'd go for a normal one right now. I got this from Amazon, so I'll link it down below. My battery died, but we're back now. Okay, this is what I have right now. It's not a lot yet, but I do like it. I'm not sure about the backgrounds, but backgrounds take me such a long time before I'm actually satisfied with it. So I know it's gonna take me some more days before I actually find ones that I absolutely love and that are perfect for it. But so far I do like it. I got this idea off of Pinterest because I saved a few ideas of what I could do with my iPad. I just kind of recreated this idea. So far I do like it. I haven't even tried out this, but let's do that as well. Okay, that is my iPad unboxing slash setup. I'm so incredibly happy with it. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Oh my god, what a difference. But it is so much better. I didn't even try out Procreate yet, but I already had Procreate. I bought it before on my old iPad because I use it for my thumbnails. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. Let me know if you have an iPad Air or any other iPad. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.